First question is, what is the strength of Fuel Factory and or Mike Tedesco?
Strength of Mike Tedesco is the people that he is involved with, his associates, his partners in the business, his places that we do business, where we buy our fuel, where we buy our steels, where we do things. And the most successes from the relationships we talked about building. We'll have a call once a week with Mia, Mark, and Mark. We have a couple other kids on board, Dave Morrison, Tanner, and Andy Price, Mia's husband. So we'll have these talks, and we have just great relationships. We'll meet here in Florida quarterly. Just they know the deal. If there's a short end, if something's wrong, fix it. I don't care if it costs Mike Tedesco money, fix it, make it right. And they do a good job at that.